In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the longest line resources. First, let's go on the member dashboard and open the resource. Now, once you get into the resource, you will realize that there is a section for player 1 and player 2. And what each player is going to do is they are going to drag these game pieces on their turn to cover the spot. So for this type of resource, because we're doing synonyms, the goal of this game is to find two words that mean the same thing and then cover them up with their game pieces. So now I'm going to pretend to be player 1. So we'll go ahead and cover cop and police. And then now it will be player 2's turn. So player 2 can cover tiny and small. And this pattern just continues until all of the squares are filled. And then once all of the squares are filled, you count up how many game pieces you each have in a row, and whoever has the longest line is the winner.